Welcome back to tutorial 3 of Vecms. The topic today is first time clinic setup. Objective: to help clinic administrators or owners to configure their clinic. In this tutorial, I will show clinic owners how to set up their clinic in Vecms for the first time. So let's do some demonstration. When you look at this place, you will see Demo Andy I Clinic Limited. Then the logo is some frame. You have some frame B here. Okay. So we are going to set up our clinic for the first time. Let's go to settings. But we are at the administrators portal or the owners portal. So let's go to the settings and then come to clinic. So the name that was there, we are changing it because we are setting our clinic for the first time. So I'm going to write Demo Greater High I Clinic Limited. The city, I'm going to put some demo city there. Demo High City. And then the address. Also, I'm going to put Demo High Street. The number, I'm just going to put some number, fake number there. 233444. Secondary number plus 233555. The email, going to fill in some demo data. So Demo High I Clinic at gmail.com. Website, if you have a website, you can also fill in. So let's use Demo High I clinic.com. So after you have filled in all your clinic information, then you save it. Once you save it, your setup for the clinic information is ready. So let's go to the dashboard and see what is there. Okay, so you can see that the dashboard has now changed to Demo Greater High I Clinic Limited. And then the street is Demo High Street. So we have set up our clinic info. Let's change the logo to our preferred clinic logo. So I'm going to take some picture, any picture. So let me pick any picture. So taking this frame, then I'm changing the logo. So let's see. Now you can see that the logo has changed. The logo has changed to another one. So that means you can put your clinic logo here. Okay. Now that you have set up the clinic information, your clinic details will automatically appear on the on the prescription, your receipt, your invoice, your medical report. Next steps, I will show you how to set doctors for the first time. If you have a local doctor or any doctor that you want the doctor to do consultation, you can set up the clinic, the doctor at the settings. So let's go to settings. No, let's go to users. Then come back to add users. And then you select here doctor. Then you type the doctor name here, email address, then the doctor phone number. You type the first name of the doctor again, the last name, the license number of the doctor, and then the consultation, the doctor specialty, the doctor education level, and then the doctor experience, the experience of the doctor, the language, and then the bio. Then after that, you save it. When you save it, it will generate a credentials for you that the doctor will use it to log in and do consultation. The same time, let me show you how you can also create account for your secretary or your receptionist. Still, you will go to users, add user. Then you will go to staff. You type the name of your secretary, the email, the telephone number of your secretary, and you click create user. When you create the create user, it will generate credentials, password, and email address for you that your secretary will use to log in and add patients, schedule appointments, and do so many things. Okay, so once your clinic is now configured and ready to begin managing patients, so in the next tutorial I will show you how to register a patient, a new patient. Thank you.